This is a brand new 2013 Mazda CX-5. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a rear-view camera, a moonroof, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, a multi-function display, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, heater vents for rear-seated passengers, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Oxmoor Mazda is conveniently located at 8107 Shelbyville Road. Visit our website and view our entire inventory online at www.oxmoormazda.com.